What is up, guys? That Guy Phly here, Flyfish FPV, and this is the Bbq Bando. Good morning, guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm That Guy Phly, aka Flyfish FPV, and this morning I've got some exciting news. I am in Georgia, and we are 10 minutes away from the Bbq Bando, which is the upcoming event for Team Drone Adventures. It's awesome. This venue is dope. I can't wait to get there. If you have not seen the videos by Squints FPV or Blackbeard FPV, you're missing something. Those guys have been there recording some stuff. So now it's my turn. I'm going to go ahead and break this into a couple parts, but right now this is part one and it's going to be a fly through. So I'm really excited. So let's get out there. Oh, hi. What's up? All right, so I'm gonna try to do this, give you guys a little tour. So I'm gonna fly smooth through here, so let's see what fucking happens. Alright, so let's see what we got over here. Let's start over here. All this, I believe, is flight line 1. All this is gonna, or day 1 flight line. Yeah, day 1 flight line all through here. Look at all this shit. Check this out, guys. I mean, look at all these things to fucking play with through here. Whoa, I didn't even know. I haven't been through here yet. I've only explored like fucking 10% of this place. But it looks like all this is flight line 1. Oh, it's fucking, whoa, get off that line. It's fucking beautiful. Look at all the shit that we got to fly through, guys. Oh, yeah, you guys are gonna have some fucking fun through here. Alright, so let's see what we got. Oh shit, Children of the Corn and shit right here. That's fucking creepy. I don't know, looks like corn, I guess. Alright, so if I'm wrong about the flight lines, I will fix it later. But I think over here we got flight line. Uh-oh, I'm getting red line over here. Looks like flight line, still flight line 2 a little bit. And then you got flight line 1. Whoa, watch the power line. There's a stage over there. It's pretty sick. And this is probably, I think this is day 2, 3. Fuck, y'all don't listen to me. I have no idea. I swear to God, I'm the worst at that shit right now. I'm so fucking busy in life. But yeah, this is it. And there is a dope gap right here. There it is. Oh, well, there's the fucking gap. But y'all see. Whoa, 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 whoa. You know how to fucking do this shit? Just learn how to fucking fly or what? It's a little windy out here, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna come back. Some cool stuff over here. Bathrooms over there, but you get the gist. Yeah, it's windy as shit out here. Alright, guys, I was able to get that fucking fly through in 6%, less than 6% I had left on that GoPro. So thank God. But I'm gonna go ahead and rip. Gonna have to go raw dog with it. Guys, I'm back in the studio. I hope you like that fly through part 1. I gotta tell you, the place is epic. I feel like I only experienced about 10% of that spot, to be honest with you. There's just so much. Be on the lookout for the birthday bando bash for my man Squints FPV this weekend. It's gonna be a good time. So guys, once again, I am that Guy Phly, aka Flyfish FPV. I really appreciate you guys for watching this. Please subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. And don't forget, I go live every Sunday morning from 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern. Hope to see you guys in the chat. Have a blessed one.